In this video I want to show you how much YouTube paid me for an entire month, the month May. So my channel is monetized and I will show you how much I got in YouTube money. So we go on YouTube Studio. Then on Analytics. So then, as you can see here, it's from the 1st May till the end, the 31st May. In this month I made 53,601 views and around 1,780 hours of watch time, and this is 400. Then I got for 53,600 views, I've got 434 euro, so it's around 435 euros. So let's go to, as you can see, my RPM is 8.17 euros and my CPM is around 15 euros for this month. The CPM is a relatively high CPM for YouTube, and RPM also. It's because it's a financial channel and financial channels get higher CPMs. So as you can see, now if you are interested to know how much YouTube pays, of course it's different from channel to channel. My channel is not a very big channel and I don't get much views, but with this kind of small views and small channel I made 435 euros. So if you are interested to see more often such insights of this channel and of the month, let me know in the comments. And if you also have a YouTube channel that is monetized, let me know how was your numbers, or if you think these numbers are good or are bad. I don't really know, I'm not so into this YouTube game. So as you can see here, the best day was around 65 euros and then it went down. Yeah. So let me know how much you got paid from YouTube, or what's your number, or what I can do better on this channel. So that would be great to know, and thank you for watching.